Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You want to start now? Check battery level and cellular data so the connection stays stable. Open Settings, find Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot and flip it on. This creates a Wi-Fi network others can join. Name the network with a clear SSID and choose WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, then set a memorable, secure password. Once done, keep the hotspot screen visible so you can confirm connected devices, and make sure auto sleep is disabled while you share. Now on your laptop or tablet, open Wi-Fi and scan for the hotspot SSID you created. Pick it from the list. When prompted, type the password exactly, make sure capitals and special characters match, because a single error prevents association. After connecting, wait for the client to obtain an IP address. You can check in network settings for an IP like 192.168.x. Once the client shows connected, load a simple web page to confirm internet access and measure apparent speed. To finish, review connected devices in the hotspot interface and remove any unknown entries. Limit simultaneous users if your phone supports it so performance stays good. Make sure background syncs on the host are paused to conserve data, and turn off the hotspot when you're done to save battery life. If something goes wrong, first restart the hotspot, then toggle cellular data. If still offline, reboot both devices. This clears DHCP issues and often restores connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.